I teach Igbo, and I get irritated when I see people mixing up these two Igbo alphabets. You see them spelling Oroma, which is orange, as this, and spelling Oka, which is corn, as this. This sound is pronounced as O, while this is O. So this is the correct spelling for Oroma, while this is correct spelling for Oka. I teach Igbo. I also get irritated when people mix up these two sounds. You will see them spelling Uku, which is waist, as this, and Oko, which is leg, as this. This is pronounced U, as in Ude, while this is pronounced O, as in Ora. So these are the correct spelling for Uku and Oku. I teach Igbo, and I get irritated when I hear an Igbo speaker mixing up Igbo with English when there are Igbo equivalents of the English words used. For instance, why should you say njerebe ahụ ụnyaahụ but afuromia when you can say njerebe ahụ ụnyaahụ mana afuronya maọbụ ahụhụnya? Now, do better. I teach Igbo, and of course, I'll be having an Igbo reading class where we'll be reading an Igbo novel titled One Ma together. This is a paid Igbo reading class, and this will help you to acquire more Igbo vocabulary. So if you're an intermediate Igbo learner and you want to become more fluent, this is for you. Check my pin post for more details on this Igbo reading class.